Alrighty, I'm gonna try and get the grass to go around here, and all that big John Deere tractor does rip it up. So I've been using the push mower, and let's see if she'll start up. But you'll see what the issues with it. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing, but hang on. See if we can get this fucker to start. Just had it running. He ain't gonna do it. Son of a bitch. More gas. More gas. Oh, come on, you bitch. Anyways, this one's got the clutch blade. Watch how slowly that blade engages. Now the Toro before this was a 83 model, which my brother now has. And that one, as soon as you pull the thing up, that thing was rip-roaring. So I got two deals with this. Is A, I wish the throttle would be a little faster, the top speed, and B, the blade takes forever to spin up, which means if you get in the heavy grass with it, the blade slows down, which the old one never did that. But anyways, it got me into tinkering with, this is that mower I showed last summer. It's my grandfather's. He passed away about this time last year. And yeah, started playing with the butterfly here and stuff, and she was pinned wide open, like seized. So I worked it a little bit and got her to wiggle and jiggle, and it's all better. The choke's still a little wonky, but I gotta replace that throttle cable. Yeah, she runs now without rubbing the piss off itself. It's just that throttle cable sucks. It's either low, idle, or fast, which is fine with me, I guess. But yeah, that was the issue with that. Now I gotta try to clean all that shit out of there. Maybe it'll work a little better, you know? Not all the gunk in here. I don't know what the hell all the oil's all about, but whatevers. Whatevs. Time to clean her up. See how she works after that. Alright. Little carb clean. Little compressed air. Yeah, there actually was a carburetor down underneath there. How about that, huh? How about that, eh? Anyways, let's button this fucker back up and see what it does now. Alright, I defunked the carb on the outside so all the linkages move. Check the oil. Put some fresh fuel in it with some seafoam. Let's see what this thing does. Yeah, I'm going to sit you guys down for a second. I wonder if I can do this. Prop you guys up on the wheeler. Oh, that's why I wasn't inflating the bag. Yeah, I see. Oh, come on, you bitch. Gotta come up here and give it a push. Get that choke to close. Still needs some work, but better than what it was.